Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with the sun themed dot mandala and brushstrokes in this 14-inch MDF board. I'll start dotting in the center with pearl red. Let me keep some pearl orange dots. I'll keep some tiny dots in orange. I'll keep some dots in gold and yellow. I'll keep tiny dots in gold and yellow. I'll keep some dots in lemon yellow. I'll keep tiny dots in lemon yellow. I'll keep lumpy dots in red. I'll fill the eye shapes with red. I'll keep some dots in orange. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll keep some brushstrokes in golden yellow. I'll keep some brushstrokes in lemon yellow. I'll keep some brushstrokes in red. I'll keep some dots in orange. Let me keep lumpy dots in orange. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some lemon yellow dots. I'll keep tiny dots in lemon yellow. I'll keep some golden yellow dots. Now time for tiny dotting. I'll keep some red dots. I'll keep some orange dots. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll keep some golden yellow brush strokes. I'll keep brush strokes in lemon yellow. I'll keep brush strokes in orange. I'll keep some orange dots. I'll keep lumpy dots in golden yellow. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'm sure with shades of yellow, orange and red, this dot mandala is looking bright and beautiful. Thank you for watching this video.